Doing these exercises for just 10 minutes every day will keep your heart healthy and your body energized. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Let's start our walking cardio. It's a great way to warm up and get your heart rate going. Let's do this for 1 minute. Exercise 2. Now let's do high knee sprints cardio. Bring your knees up high and keep your core tight to maximize calorie burn. Go for 45 seconds. Exercise 3. Next is exercise high knee squat cardio. Keep your back flat and drive your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. Exercise 4. Moving on to briskly walking cardio 2. Maintain a steady pace and breathe deeply. If you like these workouts, please subscribe Fit Motion for more. Exercise 5. Now slow it down with some high jump rope cardio. Use this time to recover while keeping your body in motion. Do this for 1 minute.